before we start today's video, I just want to announce that I am doing a giveaway. I am giving away a $100 gift card from Import Image Racing. They are a parts company where you can just order car parts from. If you want more details, stick to the end and I'll let you know more. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today is the day that I start moving some stuff into this workshop. What I'm probably going to do today is just move the toolbox over, and I just added this new lock. The one before it wasn't too good, but this one, it's nice, keeps the door locked. I'm gonna get a second one to lock it, but yeah, so what I'm gonna do is take all the tools out, then move the box out, and then move all my tools out with it, and decide what to bring over there, because I don't think I'm gonna bring too much. Alright, so I got the damn toolbox. Wasn't that heavy. Probably should have locked it, but I was moving it right across, so I didn't think about it too much. But now we gotta find a place for this toolbox. I think I might just put it right there. Have a workbench come around here, because there's a nice lighting right here. A bunch of outlets right here. Even a 120 up there. I don't think I'll ever use that, but it's good to know that we have one. As for these parts, I might just throw them over in the shed, taking up a bunch of space. And that's how it looks. Looks pretty good with the black in the back. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. But I plan on adding a bunch of flags, a bunch of car stuff on the wall here. So I don't have a lot of tools yet, so this part of the video is probably gonna be pretty fast. Don't cook me. The tool list is slowly coming together. Some of them are missing, but they're not missing. They're on the table over there because I was using them earlier. So a quick little break. Let me show you guys what I'm working on right now. So this bolt is like really rusted on there. I got one out, but I still need to get the other one out. I just haven't had a chance to do it, but that's what I'm currently working on. But yeah, everything looks really good. I think it's gonna turn out really well. with the workbench and all the stuff that we're gonna put on the wall. I think it's gonna look real great. Hopefully maybe a TV right there too, because there's a coax cable, and maybe we can also get a keg in here. You know what I mean? A little banger. All right, so I'm gonna finish moving some of the stuff over there, and I'll come back to you guys once I'm done. So I was getting ready to clean everything up, and I just thought that I'm gonna start putting all my stickers on here because I'm not putting them on my car no more. And also, I plan on taking this punching bag down for now and putting it to the side because it's kind of in the way of everything. So far I just moved all the jacks and jack stands over, cleaned up a bit, got all my tools in here, tidied up this spot over here, plugged up both my chargers to the outlet. This workshop's nice because it has a bunch of outlets in here that, like, there's even one on the ceiling. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm probably gonna close everything up, threw some trash away, and yeah, I'm probably just gonna leave the oils and fluids all in the other shed just to keep it separate from here. I think that'll be a better idea. But besides that, you guys know what to do. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. So the giveaway I'm doing is for $100 to Import Image Racing. That website, you can buy a bunch of parts on there, and they also do financing, which is great because, you know, some people don't want to put all that money down at once to pay for a part. So they do offer financing, and they offer multiple types of financing too, not just Affirm or PayPal. But how do you enter this giveaway is, first you give a like on the video, you subscribe, and then you follow my Instagram, which is right here, and then leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle so I can cross-check it, you know, make sure that you're following me in order to win. So how will I be choosing the winner? So first I'm gonna go onto a YouTube comment random picker thing that you can go on Google and search it up. And what that will do is just pick a random YouTube comment, and that's why I said comment with your Instagram handle so I can cross-check it and make sure that you're following. But besides that, good luck and have a great day.